Hi guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video and first ever DIY video. Recently I did a project where I made a bum bag with a chain, something that I kind of consider a fast trend, something that I may use for the next few months, and once it goes out of trend, I may not wear that often. So with trends like that, I like to do it either myself in a DIY project or find it thrifted and style it into what's on trend and into my own wardrobe. If I'm not sure if others are familiar with this style, but bum bags with chains have especially been popular lately, with some bags going for $400 or $500 if it's real leather, or something that's closer around $40, $50 that you can find online boutiques. I love to do a DIY because not only does it make it custom and personalized, but it's also cheaper. So I spent less than $10 on this bag. The bum bag itself was about $4 thrifted, and then the chain itself is about $5. So it's super easy to make. I also include at the end of the video a few different ways to style the bag itself. I love a good bag with hardware. This chain in particular is very heavy, so sometimes it can come off a bit edgier than my own personal style. So I found a few different ways to include it into my wardrobe, still with keeping my own style. So if it's something that you're interested, continue watching. I hope you enjoyed that video and inspired you to do your own DIY projects and head out to your local thrift stores to see what you can find. In the future, I'm planning on doing more videos with other items I've thrifted, how I've styled them to be either on trend or include them in my wardrobe. So if you're interested in seeing more videos like that, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram for more.